Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Basecamp for project tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Basecamp in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Basecamp website link. Once on the site, look for the Get Started button and click it. You will be directed to a page with different pricing options. Select the plan that best suits your needs and click Start a free trial if available. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. After filling out the form, click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox for this email and click the verification link. Once verified, log back into your Basecamp account. Now you will see a dashboard inviting you to create your first project. Click on the New Project button. In the pop-up window, enter a name for your project. You can also add a description if desired. Click Create Project to finalize the setup. After creating the project, you will see various tools available. These include to-do lists, message boards, and file upload options. Familiarize yourself with these tools to maximize your project tracking. Invite team members by clicking on the Invite button. Enter their email addresses and add a personal message if you wish. Click Send Invites to notify them. Now, you can start adding tasks to your to-do list. Click on Add To-Do to enter specific tasks for your project. Assign due dates and responsible individuals for each task. Use the message board to communicate updates with your team. Upload relevant files by selecting the Files option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.